We're about to barbecue some steak and veggies, and we are using our Weber Original Kettle 22-inch charcoal grill, along with the Kingsford Original Charcoal Briquettes. It's made of 100% natural charcoal for barbecue grilling and weighs 16 pounds. My husband put the charcoal briquettes into a pair of Weber Char-Basket Charcoal Holders. It's made of durable aluminized steel. These holders allow for convenient indirect and direct cooking. He arranged the briquettes evenly and then squeezed some lighter fluid and lit the flame. The fire took very quickly, and once it started warming all the coals, it should be ready to add to our food to the grill in about 15 minutes. Look at that fire go. Doesn't it look awesome? And it just keeps getting bigger and bigger. And then it's going to start dissipating. And then it's going to be time for grilling. And it's really nice because you can arrange these baskets either in the middle or put them all the way out to the edge, depending on how you want to be cooking your food and vegetables. So nice. Absolutely love our Weber grill system. Definitely recommend it for all our grilling needs. Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.